Wanna know how to delete Instagram post using your iPhone or Android? Let's see how. For iPhone users, open Instagram, go to your profile, find the post you wanna delete. Now tap the three dots, scroll a little bit, and tap delete. And now confirm the prompt to delete the post. But for Android users, the process is a little bit different. The delete option not in there. For that, open the post you wanna delete, tap the three dots, and select archive. Next, go to your profile, tap the hamburger menu, and tap archive from the list. At the top, switch to Stories Archive, then choose Post Archive. From here, you will find all your archive posts. Tap on your archive post, hit the three dots again, and then select Delete and confirm the process. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.